Imagine a world where tiny objects float effortlessly through the air, defying gravity while racing at lightning speeds without a single wire holding them back. Sound like science fiction? Think again. The age-old problem of friction has been the silent killer of precision in miniaturized transport systems. While we've mastered the art of shrinking mechanical, electronic, chemical, and biomedical components to microscopic sizes, moving these delicate pieces around has remained frustratingly clunky. Traditional conveyor belt systems crawl along, their surfaces grinding against transported items, creating heat, wear, and unacceptable delays in high-precision applications. But here's where it gets revolutionary. A team of brilliant minds at Yokohama National University has just shattered the conventional wisdom about how we move small objects. Their groundbreaking untethered levitation system doesn't just eliminate friction, it obliterates it entirely, enabling omnidirectional movement that puts conventional transport methods to shame. The research, recently published in Advanced Intelligent Systems, presents experimental data that perfectly mirrors their ambitious theoretical predictions. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a complete paradigm shift. The device maintained completely frictionless motion while traveling at speeds exceeding 3 meters per second on sloped surfaces. When tested on a 10-degree incline, the results were nothing short of dramatic. With levitation engaged, the device glided effortlessly upward. But the moment levitation was disabled, gravity won the battle, and the device remained motionless. And this is the part most people miss. The practical implications are staggering. The researchers didn't stop at proving the concept. They pushed the boundaries of real-world application. Load testing revealed that the device maintains stable levitation and fluid movement while carrying a total weight of up to 150 grams, which translates to approximately 43 grams of additional cargo capacity beyond the device's own mass. However, exceed this threshold, and the magic disappears. No levitation, no movement. Now, here's where the engineering decisions get controversial. The team had multiple paths to achieve levitation. Diamagnetic levitation and pneumatic systems were both viable options. Critics might argue these established technologies would have been safer bets. But here's the twist. Both alternatives came with deal-breaking limitations. Diamagnetic systems require bulky magnetic generators, while pneumatic approaches demand pressurized gas systems. Neither aligned with the researchers' ambitious vision of creating a centimeter-sized device that operates independently without external support infrastructure. Instead, they chose the path less traveled, acoustic levitation. This technique harnesses sound waves to suspend objects mid-air, creating what seems like magic but is actually precisely controlled physics. Yet even this approach wasn't without its Achilles heel, the dreaded cable problem that has plagued acoustic levitation systems for decades. Traditional acoustic levitation systems eliminate floor friction beautifully, but they're still prisoners to their own cables, which interfere with precise positioning, explains Omni Fuchiwaki, the study's lead author and associate professor at Yokohama National University. Our breakthrough was developing a completely wireless drive circuit that maintains stable levitation height while enabling high-speed, flexible transport in any direction. The technical wizardry doesn't stop there. The team integrated a piezoelectric actuator, essentially a device that transforms electrical energy directly into mechanical force to generate what engineers call a squeeze film. This phenomenon occurs when a thin layer of fluid gets compressed between two surfaces, creating the precise conditions needed for omnidirectional, friction-free transport without any physical tethers. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we looking at the future of manufacturing and biomedical transport, or is this another case of impressive laboratory results that won't survive real-world implementation? The researchers acknowledge significant challenges ahead. Levitation efficiency needs dramatic improvement, and the system must prove its stability when carrying heavier loads across irregular surfaces, conditions that real manufacturing environments will demand. The long-term vision is both ambitious and practical. Imagine swarms of these levitation devices working together, equipped with propulsion mechanisms to create autonomous robots capable of contactless delivery. Picture machine parts floating to their exact assembly positions, biomedical cells transported without contamination risk, or chemical samples moved without any possibility of cross-contamination. Yet skeptics might reasonably ask, will this technology scale beyond the laboratory? Can it handle the chaotic demands of industrial environments? The researchers are betting their careers on the answer being yes, but only time will tell if this breakthrough will revolutionize transport systems or join the graveyard of promising technologies that never made it to market. The implications stretch far beyond simple transport. We're potentially witnessing the birth of a new era in precision manufacturing, sterile biomedical procedures, and contamination-free chemical processing. The question isn't whether this technology is impressive. It undeniably is. The real question is whether it can bridge the gap between laboratory perfection and messy, real-world application. What do you think? Are we looking at the next industrial revolution? Or is this another case of technological promise that will struggle to deliver practical results? Have the researchers solved a fundamental problem, or simply created an elegant solution to challenges that existing technologies already handle adequately? The debate is just beginning, and the stakes couldn't be higher for the future of precision transport systems.